This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice.
What's going on, TradingIQ community? I want to show you this awesome new indicator that we just finished developing over here at TradingIQ, and why I've been using this indicator each and every day to track what big money is doing in the markets I trade. Not just crypto, but in any single market. And the indicator I'm talking about today is called Large Order IQ. And this indicator pretty much does exactly what it sounds. It's a special proprietary algorithm built to track extremely large orders in the market that you trade. Check out this box in the top right of my chart where it says minimum order size is currently $5 million. This means that every single bubble you see on my chart is an identified real order of $5 million or greater. And this profile over here is actually a volume delta profile based on $5 million orders or higher. So pretty cool, right? To give you a higher level overview, Large Order IQ lets me track large order clusters and where big money is entering or exiting the market, and then builds a volume delta profile based on that information, which gives me the complete package to thoroughly detect where big money is buying and where big money is selling. Now, before I get into how I use this tool each and every day to track what big money's doing, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support helps us keep creating the tools we love for the community we love. And be sure to follow us on TradingView and Twitter so you always know what we're up to, and so you can get early indicator releases. And if you're looking for a trading home, check out our TradingIQ Discord server where we have active traders talking analysis, strategies, and most importantly, trading each and every day. Now, when I'm using Large Order IQ, the absolute most important piece of information for me is this volume delta profile. This volume delta profile gives me the exact price areas where big money orders are flowing in to either sell or buy the underlying asset. And this delta profile is so important because of information just like this. Between these two blue lines here is the market's local top. And if we take a look at the volume delta profile that's built based on $5 million orders or higher, we can see selling by big money completely dominated buying in this local top. And this in and of itself is strong information that the mini range forming a local top is being used as an opportunity by big money to sell off their positions or even go short. And for me personally, this is an indication that price can inevitably break this range to the downside and begin moving lower. Now that I've used Large Order IQ to ascertain this information, I can use the large order bubbles to figure out at approximately what times big money is offloading their positions. Now, notice how most of the Large Order IQ bubbles here are stacked up on the left side of the range. And once we move further towards the right side of the range, we can see far less large order bubbles popping in, and some candles even go completely without a large order entirely. This signals that big money took the opportunity to start selling off their positions very early in this upwards price move. And to me, this personally signals that this upside price move into this new range was doomed from the start, because big money was using this upside price move as an opportunity to offload their positions before price even had a real chance at making a significant move higher. Now, further on into the range here, we can see big money positions become far less frequent, and this signals that big money has ultimately made their move with where price is currently located. And I personally see this as a sell-off indication, which is exactly what we saw here. Now, let me show you exactly how I set up Large Order IQ to give you an idea of how to work with this indicator. And this indicator only has 3 settings to operate: data granularity, session, and filter value. Data granularity is the most important setting. Currently, I'm using 1 second, but if you want the highest level possible of granularity, where 1 tick equals 1 order, then you need to use the 1 tick data granularity type, because using this option allows the indicator to track each and every tick that comes through and calculate the individual order size. Now, the next option you can get away with is 1 second. There can be more than 1 tick per second, especially, of course, in a fast-moving market. But if you have a premium plan on TradingView, then 1 second will suffice. Just know that 1 second almost never equals 1 order. And finally, there's the 1 minute data granularity type. And if you have to use this option, be sure to adjust the filter value appropriately, because this setting will clump the last 1 minute of orders together, and you'll never have one single individual order that highlights a big money move. Now, the next important setting is session, and personally, I always set this to either 1 week or 1 month. And once I change the session to 1 month, it doesn't affect the large order IQ bubbles in any way. It only affects the large order IQ volume profile. So I can see over the last month where big money is predominantly selling, which will be these red columns on the left, and where big money is predominantly buying, which is these green columns on the right. And finally, we have the filter value option, which is another extremely important setting. And what this setting lets us do is set a dollar value volume filter for a trade. Now, I've already set 5 million for this setting, and this makes sure that large order IQ only tracks orders that are $5 million or bigger. And those $5 million orders will be displayed as these individual bubbles on each candlestick and will also contribute to the large order IQ volume profile. This is a significant amount of information for me personally to judge what big money is doing in the underlying market that allows me personally to make improved analysis-backed decisions. Now, just a quick heads up, large order IQ is a TradingView indicator that is unlocked through our affiliate terms. This means if you follow the link in the description for our current affiliate campaign, we may earn a commission. Be sure to check the description for the most up-to-date details on the current affiliate campaign that TradingIQ is offering. And of course, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always do your own research and be sure to consult with a licensed financial professional before making financial related decisions. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.